My name's Fi and I make and sell artisan jewellery, handmade, using semi-precious stones and other natural products. I wanted to do something on my own because I've been working in retail, and I woke up about 3 in the morning and just went, I'm going to make jewellery. I think I underestimated how hard it was going to be to get your name out there. You know, it's constant promoting and then you're making things and you've got to network, and it's a lot harder than I thought. I didn't know about OxLEP, and then I was put in touch with them and found out that their workshops were free, and for me, my budget is so small, this was like amazing. So I've done 4 workshops, lots on marketing, digital marketing and finance, and then I had a one-to-one which was incredible. Literally took my business and just analysed it, showed me how to go forward, what I was doing wrong, what was going right. It's meant that I can change my website in a really good way. The best thing about running a business is I'm working for myself. You know, I can be creative, I can follow the direction that I want to follow. The future's good. I feel like it's going in the right direction, and my business is definitely starting to grow. I would say OxLEP has totally changed my business for the better.